What's up YouTube, it's Devin Grillo here. Today we're going to be walking through how to set up Instagram ads in the app for beginners. So we're going to keep it nice and simple as we go through here today, but we're going to jump right in. So I've got a couple examples here set up. So we've got one of my clients' Instagram account, and they are a fitness gym. And so we're going to go ahead and act like this post here is what we're actually going to be promoting as an ad. So we can go ahead and hit the blue promote button here, and it'll let us, if I should also mention, first of all, if you aren't already set up as a business page, you're going to need to do that. So you're going to want to go to settings and then scroll down here, and you'll have the option to switch to a business account. So you're going to want to make sure you do that first. And then when you go here, go ahead and promote the page or promote the post, and then you have a few different objectives. So you can send them to your store, actually physically, to your website, or just to your Instagram profile. So we're going to go ahead for this. We'll send them to a website, and then you're going to want to go ahead and select your audience. I've already got a couple that I've set up, just local people that are in the area of the fitness club and have some kind of an interest in health, but you can actually create your own here and set that up depending on what industry you're looking to target and the demographics. And then you can choose your budget, and I'm just going to leave that as is for now. And then you can go ahead and promote. You're all set. It's a really pretty simple, straightforward process. You can create the promotion there. But one thing I definitely want to mention is the destination. If you're sending people to a website, you want to have a really effective landing page. So I'm going to jump over here. This is a little example that I just pulled up of a mobile landing page. Now you have to remember, let me talk to the camera real quick. So you have to remember, guys, that 99% of Instagram users are mobile. So they're not on desktop, right? So you have to make sure that the website is optimized for mobile viewing. There's a lot of people, and I've seen it before, like they'll go ahead and they'll create the landing page. It's a good landing page, but it's all for desktop. And then when somebody goes to it on their phone, it just looks terrible, and it's really hard to navigate. And so it's just something to keep in mind as you actually go through and set up the Instagram landing page. So that's basically going to be where people then can redeem the offer, can opt into your newsletter, can provide their contact information, or purchase your product, whatever the goal of your ad is to actually do that. Then that's landing page is where they're going to do it. You also want to make sure you put the link to your landing page. I'm going to go ahead and just get out of this because we're not going to actually run it. But this link right here in your bio is going to be super important, because that's the one spot that you can actually link to an external site on Instagram from just a basic starting account. You're going to want to make sure that that's linking to a landing page that's going to look nice, it's going to be professional, and people are going to be willing to put in their information, buy your product, whatever your goal is. So you can just edit, and then right there you can enter the website. So that's where you can do that. I highly recommend making sure that looks good. And a couple of things to note just about the landing page. You want to make sure that all of the very important information is above the fold. You can see all the fields that are needed. You've got the big headline right at the top so that people know exactly what you're looking for, what the offer is, and what they need to do then to claim that offer. And it's all just right there above the fold. They don't have to scroll down to see it. So next up, well, actually that's about all I've got for you. It's really pretty simple. So there is actually a little bit more complicated way that you can run Instagram ads, and it's more powerful, but it is more complicated, like I said. So you can do it through Facebook Ads Manager, but I'm not going to get into this because this is more just a basic entry level for beginners tutorial. You can run it straight from the ads. It's very straightforward, simple process. But if you're looking to get more detailed, more specific, you can jump into the Facebook Ads Manager and just edit the placements of where the ad's going to run. So you can actually run it just on Facebook, just on Instagram, just on the news feed, just in the audience network, so on and so forth. But anyways, I hope that was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions or having any errors, issues, anything like that, just drop in the comments. I'm happy to help. But until next time, this was a tutorial on how to set up Instagram ads in the app for beginners. So I hope that was helpful. Take care, guys.